description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle, and today we've got the next to last of these. This is from Good Seoul. This is their Topokki. This is the cheese flavor. How you doing? It's been crazy here in this place, which is alright. I don't mind a little crazy. But, yeah, maybe on the third one I'll show you the crazy. So in 2 days, I will let you witness what crazy I'm talking about. It's pretty crazy. I think I want to put the tteokbokki in here first. It's a proper order of operation, as you see. Don't eat the magic stuff. That's just for magicians. Yeah, I always thought if you ate that desiccant keep dry powder, it would make you sick. It's just not food. I mean, they don't put stuff in these things that are going to, like, hurt you. That's the idea. So we do hot water to the line, give it a stir, and then microwave it for 90 seconds. Okay, where's that line? There it is. Okay, to the line. Give it a stir. Right? Yeah. Press the lid on top. And 90 seconds. And I don't believe that will explode. I did one wrong and it did explode. So, it's always good to be careful. But yeah, today is the 7th, and yeah, crazy things, good crazy things are about. Prep up something for the next. The next one's going to be interesting. It's from the Philippines. I gotta heat up some stuff, or thaw out rather. And is our 90 seconds done? Close. Yeah. Tteokbokki in the microwave goes pretty darn quick, so that's the deal. So what are we going to put on this tteokbokki? I'm hoping the sauce is thick enough that I can use the plate that I've picked. That'd be nice. Woo! I'm guessing it is. Wow, it's hot. It's like really hot. As my mother used to say, well, you wouldn't want it cold, would you? She was good with little quips and such. She would quip. Oh, that worked well. Okay. So In the cheese spectrum that these guys have, I've tried, now I'll be trying this cup. There's a pack version and there's a Topokki version. And I'm guessing this is the same as the pack, it's just microwavable. Alright, come have a look-see. Here is our Topokki. They're soft tubes made with rice flour, rice cake. And they're incredibly hot. I haven't mentioned it so much, but it does have fish in it. This guy has a little fish cake thing. Alright, what are we doing? We're going to make either an educated or possibly not a good idea attempt here. Yeah, well, you know, we tried. I've got some, I shredded some chicken. So there's some shredded chicken. The chicken is all about the next one, really. Which reminds me, I've got to thaw out yet something else. Some scallion. Some seeds. Crushed red pepper. And I was going to do pepper thread, but I think I'll save that. And you can look. Look at that. Yum! Oh boy! Here we go. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is from, lucky me, this is Filipino. This is lomi, which is a chicken seafood dish. And, yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hey, you fellas seen my sister Murgatroyd? She was standing over here just a minute ago. Yeah, I think I saw her over there with Randy. Who's rocking the mic, you know?